Welcome to Cars Trends, where we bring you the most detailed and engaging reviews of iconic cars. Today, we're diving into a legendary vehicle that has earned its place in the annals of automotive history, the Nissan 350Z. Revered for its dynamic design, thrilling performance, and status as a cultural icon, the 350Z is a car that every sports car enthusiast should know. If you're passionate about cars like this, give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Cars Trends for more engaging content. The Nissan 350Z, also known as the Fairlady Z in its home market of Japan, is a true embodiment of the Z car legacy, which dates back to the groundbreaking Datsun 240Z of the 1970s. Introduced in 2002 and produced until 2009, the 350Z redefined the modern sports car with its perfect blend of power, agility, and affordability. Its sleek, aggressive styling and focus on driving purity made it a standout in its segment and a favorite among enthusiasts worldwide. Let's start with its exterior, which perfectly captures the spirit of a performance-oriented sports car. The design of the Nissan 350Z is a masterclass in proportion and aesthetics. At 4,315 mm in length, 1,816 mm in width, and 1,316 mm in height, the car sits low and wide, emphasizing its athletic stance. Its long hood and short rear deck pay homage to the original Z cars, a design philosophy that highlights the importance of balance in weight distribution. The front fascia features distinctive large, angular headlights that extend toward the fenders, giving the car a sense of purpose and aggression. The low-slung grille and integrated air intake not only add to the sporty appeal but also serve functional purposes by cooling the engine and improving aerodynamics. The muscular bulges over the wheel arches emphasize the rear-wheel drive platform, while the short overhangs at both the front and rear enhance the car's visual agility. From the side profile, the car's fastback roofline flows seamlessly into the short rear deck, creating a silhouette that exudes motion even when the car is parked. Brushed aluminum door handles add a touch of modern sophistication, while the 17-inch or optional 18-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, complete the sporty look. At the rear, dual exhaust outlets framed by a subtle diffuser and a neatly integrated spoiler further enhance the performance-oriented design, while the unique LED taillights provide a modern touch. Inside the Nissan 350Z, every detail is crafted with the driver in mind. The interior is a perfect marriage of functionality and style, designed to elevate the driving experience. The moment you step into the cabin, you notice its snug, driver-centric layout. The cockpit envelops the driver, making you feel instantly connected to the car. The instrument cluster, a standout feature of the 350Z, is mounted directly to the steering column. This clever design ensures that critical driving information, including the speedometer and tachometer, remains visible regardless of the steering wheel's position. A large, centrally placed tachometer dominates the cluster, a nod to the car's performance focus. Flanking the tachometer are the speedometer and ancillary gauges, providing the essential information needed for spirited driving. Adding to the retro-modern aesthetic is a trio of auxiliary gauges mounted atop the center of the dashboard. These gauges, which display vital information like oil temperature, battery voltage, and a clock, are a direct homage to the original Z cars of the 1970s. They also serve as a functional reminder of the car's heritage, connecting past and present in a meaningful way. The seats are designed with performance in mind, featuring high bolsters that provide excellent lateral support during aggressive cornering. Whether you're navigating winding mountain roads or carving through a track, these seats ensure you stay comfortably planted. For added luxury, higher trims of the 350Z offer leather upholstery and power-adjustable features, enhancing comfort for both daily driving and long-distance journeys. In terms of materials, the 350Z employs a combination of high-quality plastics, soft-touch surfaces, and aluminum accents, striking a balance between durability and sophistication. The steering wheel, gear shifter, and handbrake are wrapped in leather, offering a tactile connection to the car's core controls. Storage compartments are thoughtfully integrated, including a lockable compartment behind the passenger seat, catering to practicality without compromising on the sporty feel. The sound system options in the 350Z range from a standard setup to an upgraded Bose audio system, delivering crisp, immersive sound quality. The Bose system, available in higher trims, features subwoofers strategically placed in the rear strut tower brace, ensuring a powerful audio experience without sacrificing valuable interior space. Stay tuned as we explore the performance, technology, and cultural impact of this iconic sports car. And while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an in-depth review from Cars Trends.